We'll guide you through how to upload files in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You'll see the main Google Drive interface, which looks like a file explorer. On the left-hand side, there's a big button that says New with a plus sign next to it. Click on this New button. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. For uploading files, select File Upload if you want to upload individual files, or Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder. Clicking on either will open a File Explorer window from your computer. Navigate to the location on your computer where the files or folders you want to upload are stored. Select the files or folders you wish to upload and then click Open or Upload in the File Explorer window. You'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner of your Google Drive window showing the upload progress. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in your Google Drive. You can now organize them into folders, share them, or access them from any device with internet access. Remember, Google Drive has a storage limit, so keep an eye on your storage usage. If you need more space, you can always upgrade to a Google One plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.